Hi, I'm Renee and welcome to my Kudos Kitchen, where today we're going to be making these pumpkin spice martinis. They're so good and they're easy to make, and if I do say so myself, they pack a little bit of a punch. So these are Kudos Kitchen style pumpkin martinis. So let me show you how good they are. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, they go down easy. So I hope you stick around for the recipe because I know you're going to love it. So the ingredients you're going to need some amaretto, some Fireball whiskey, some Bailey's Irish cream. I also have some pumpkin puree, some vanilla extract, cinnamon sticks for garnish. I have some fresh nutmeg that I'm going to grate, some cinnamon sugar, which will go around the rim of the glasses, and honey, which will help the cinnamon sugar stick to the glasses. You know that. So the equipment you're going to need martini glasses or any sort of cocktail glass that you like to serve out of. We kind of think it's festive. Martini glasses are very festive. You're going to need a shot glass, or you can eyeball them, the amount of alcohol. It's kind of up to you. You're going to need a shaker, cocktail shaker, or you can make these up in a pitcher if you like. But if you do that, I must caution you that these go down easy. They're very good, and I would hate for you to forget about having eaten your Thanksgiving dinner. Not that I know anything about that. You're going to also need ice, and that's it. So let's begin. And this is the fun part, other than drinking it, of course. Okay, ready? Let's see what she looks like. Doesn't that look good? Now all you need to do is garnish with a little bit of freshly grated nutmeg. My favorite. A tiny pinch of cinnamon sugar. And the final touch is a cinnamon stick. So there you have it. Cheers. Happy Thanksgiving. Please come and visit me again in my Kudos Kitchen. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot. Very important step. There we go.